Hi everyone and welcome back to the Wheelie90 vlog. This is the next part of our Florida Adventure 2021. In the previous video we ended up going to Epcot and exploring what they had to offer for the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World Resort. And we also wanted to see what was new for the park. Especially those new fireworks, oh my gosh, those were amazing. Still can't get over that. In this video we're going to be able to go see what we did at the beach because it's our beach day. We explored a new beach that we found that was wheelchair accessible and had a ramp that went towards the beach. I even did a live stream from there, so let's check out the next part of our Florida adventure. So we're here at Hangars Beach, next to I guess it's the United States Air Force. In fact, there's airplanes over there. That's kind of cool. Anyways, it's accessible. Little boardwalk. But it says 45th Space Wing United States Air Force next to a hangar. That's kind of cool. Anyways, we're going to see this boardwalk. Go up there, there's stairs. More information on the turtles. We gotta watch for the sea turtles by not damaging the nest eggs and hatchlings. Okay. Ramp looks a little steep to go up. Because of that, I'm going to tilt down a little. Because I can't go up a steep hill. Let's go. Oh, it's bumpy. Looks like the steep part was just the lower part. Let's see if we can see the ocean from here. Oh, wow. Well, 1 second. I gotta tilt it up. That is a view. I can see the ocean. Oh my gosh. No way. Wow. There's the ocean. This is near on the same side of Florida as Cocoa Beach. That's what I was seeing. It's all smoky because of that. It's not really smoke, it's sand. Wow. I can't go down all the way. I don't know if you can see this, but once I stop, there's a plane coming in. Right there.
It's supposed to be able to come down this far, but
wow.
it's right on the other side of the road. It just came in.
That is a big plane. Oh, it actually has propellers.
It's smaller than what the other one I just saw. It had like 3 across or 6 across.
That thing has propellers.
Got bombs on the bottom? Yep. Bomber plane.
Well, if the sand isn't that low.
I know, that's what I said. I'm like, they should be able to come down to here. Oh, wow. But it would have to be dug out. That's how. Must have come above.
Well, if you look down to the right, Angie, you can see why it looks so sandy. The sand's blowing up. But wow, this is a good view.
Yeah, look at down there. The sand is blowing. Well, the helicopter just came along also.
See that sandpaper? There's a little birdie over there. Yep, I can see it in the video. That's cool. Around the screen.
There's a big drop off right there.
Bottom left down. We need to find one and piece one together. then do some
You can sand up your butt.
was that a purple piece or a piece of a crab? Hermit crab.
You need me to move?
I kinda wanna go back to the top. So it's coming down.
I thought we could go farther. I know. Okay, let me turn around.
Are you gonna be able to turn around? I wanna go back up to the top part to look. I don't care, I can turn around.
Huh?
I can turn around.
Yeah.
But I wanna go look. Nice little walkway here. Wish it was a little wider down here. A little smoother and yeah. Go all the way down. Dead ends here, but at least there's some shade. And that good view. Such a beautiful day out. Dad and Angie down there. Hopefully you guys can hear. I don't know if it's windy. Too windy. Nice breeze going though. It's a beautiful day out. See if I can get a better view of planes. Can't really see. Oh look, there's another plane. It's cool to be near an airbase. And straight that way. Those big planes. Anyways, it's cool to be out of the beach, by the ocean. I love this. Using my new camera holder. It's kind of cool. It's here by a beach. All the nice nature. Found a nice accessible walkway. Kinda nice. I honestly can't tell if you guys can hear me because of this wind. Such a nice day out though. Oh look, I see a sandpiper bird down by the water. Oh, now it's below the sand. nice and calming here. Anyways, guess I'll show off this cool beach. Gonna go down by the beach as close as I can get. Bumpy. This is a nice beach. If only the sand wasn't too high. It's over the deck down here. But you can see everything. It's so nice to be by waves, or to see the waves. Angie and Dad are over there. Oh, you can see the skyline off there. There's a lot of hotels down that way. Happy we found this place. Oh look, somebody's metal detecting. Look at that beach, that's a long beach. Yeah, it's actually pretty warm here. I think it's in the upper 70s. It's a nice relaxing day after being at Epcot yesterday at Disney. That was kind of fun, but a little crowded. Maybe I will do that because that sounds funny. Fun to do. Here, I might as well. This feels good. That is really bumpy. Happy? Did that sound good? Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, that's...
Angie, say hi to Daisy.
Hi, Daisy.
Oh no! My phone's almost dead. I guess I gotta... I have 24% battery. Well, the reason why, Angie, I'm on Facebook. I'm live on Facebook right now. Just because I felt like it. Daisy says hi.
Hi. I'm going to bring some shells so we can go through them.
Okay. Looking for shells for my hermit crab.
Well, these are for high tide spots.
Because it's hard to find those.
That's where everything gets deposited and it goes back out.
It's such a nice beach. don't know if you can see it, but there's planes out there. But look, I'm going to try zooming in. Scroll down 7. Look at that. Those are huge planes. Interesting. Cool.
That was cool.
Look, a helicopter. It's a big helicopter. Oh, it's going to land. That's cool.
Jim, let's head out. Very cool.
Now the helicopter landed. Oh, that helicopter drives. That's cool.
Guy that I was talking to.
Isn't that great being able to go to a wheelchair accessible beach and explore near the water? It's kind of cool, even though it's going down the sand, but it's fun. But that being said, we did find some pieces of seashells, but they're pieces because, well, most of the seashells were broken. Which I think we did find some that were intact, but yeah, they didn't really work well for a hermit crab, which is what I was looking for them for. I also experienced doing my first live stream from Facebook on my phone. So that was fun, and I actually put some of that in this video. So I also only showed the best parts because there was parts that were kind of boring. But anyways, maybe next time I'll do a live stream that goes directly to this YouTube page. We'll see. I don't know. Well, that's the end of this part of the adventure. But this is not the end of the Florida adventure because we were there for a week and there's a few more days left of that. So remember, adventure is out there, and I'll see you on the next one.